Good morning, friends. Day 3 out here in the wild. Slept like a rock, or maybe on one, I can't tell. Back's a little crunchy, but spirits are high. Today's goal, hike deeper, find water, and maybe not trip over every root on the trail. Let's get it. Backpack's heavier, legs are sorer, but man, this forest just keeps getting better. Let's see what day 3 throws at us. Hey, big guy. It's okay. I'm not here to hurt you. Let's get you out of this mess. Okay. Well, guess who forgot to pack dinner? Again. That's right, me. Welcome to the wilderness, where the views are great and the meals are imaginary. I thought about catching another fish, but the fish voted no. So, it's river sounds and hunger tonight. Wait, is that... Yo, no way, it's the tiger, and it brought meat? Are you serious right now? Ooh. Okay, this just became the wildest camping vlog of my life. I save a tiger, and it straight up brings me dinner. Bro, this is some Lion King meets wilderness chef moment. Thanks, big guy. Seriously, I was starving 5 minutes ago, and now I have tiger takeout. Nature's crazy.